In this video, we will show you how to change your Xvivo System gloves. Changing gloves is an important part of routine maintenance in your Xvivo system that you will likely be doing often. There are multiple reasons to do a glove change, including new technicians requiring a different size glove, a new process requiring a different type of glove, or just a regularly scheduled glove change as part of your preventative maintenance plan. To start, gather your glove changing supplies, including cuffs, gaskets, and glove of choice. Disinfect your gloves. Then disinfect all items in the laminar flow hood with a site-approved disinfectant. Move disinfected items to the back of the laminar flow hood. Next, you will start to assemble your gloves. This can also be done in a process chamber if you do not want to open sterile gloves in the laminar flow hood. Remove a glove from the packaging. Then, put it over top the cuff on the side without screws. The screws on the cuff should be left uncovered to be accessed later. Move the glove material to the bottom of the cuff, making sure the glove is in the middle and not pulled too tightly to one side of the cuff. Next, put the gasket onto the cuff to hold the glove in place. The gasket is also important for giving a good seal when it's installed into the glove sleeve. Repeat this procedure for any other sets of gloves and cuffs. The assembled glove can be disinfected again if it was performed in the laminar flow hood. Once disinfected items are dry, disinfect the buffer module door handles and the holder. Open the buffer door and then move disinfected materials into the buffer module. Close the door and perform a ventilation in the buffer module. Once it's finished, move the supplies to the module where the gloves will be changed. Put the newly assembled glove and cuff onto the old glove cuff. Pull the glove sleeve all the way out with the new cuff still in place. Using a small flathead screwdriver, unlock the screws of the old cuff. Push the new glove cuff down to work the old glove cuff out of the sleeve. Remove the old cuff and lock the new cuff into place. Repeat this procedure for any other gloves that need to be changed. Remove the glove from the old cuff and disinfect the cuff and gasket. Save these pieces for future glove changes. Thinner gloves should be changed at least every 2 weeks. Thicker gloves may last a few months. Perform daily inspections on the gloves to check the integrity and change earlier if needed. Contact our service department with any other additional questions about glove changes.